Hey guys, it's just math, y'all. In today's video, we're going to go over the practice quiz for the Unit 2 test. We're going to jump in really fast. Here we go. Number 1 is solve by substitution. So we're going to solve this one by substitution. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute x squared minus 7x plus 10 into the y. That's going to create x plus x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 2. We need to solve this. We need to combine our like terms. We'll have x squared minus 6x plus 10 equal 2. We need to set it equal to 0. We'll subtract 2 on both sides. So x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. And this is now factorable. So we will factor this and multiply to give me 8 and add to give me 6 would be 4 and 2. And this is going to be a negative 4 and a negative 2. Therefore, my answers are x equals 4 and x equals 2. So now those are our x numbers. Now we need to plug back in to get our y numbers. We can plug back into either one of the originals. So when x is 4, I'm going to plug that into the original. So the original was 4 plus y equal 2. Subtract 4 on both sides, and I get y is negative 2. Therefore, my answer would be 4, negative 2. When x is 2, same equation. I'm going to do 2 plus y equal 2. That gives me y is equal to 0. So x is 2 and y is 0. My answers are these two ordered pairs. There we go. Number 2. Number 2, it also says solve by substitution. I will do the exact same thing. I will take this one and I will put it in for y. And that's going to give me x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. I'm going to solve this. I'm going to subtract x squared on both sides. I'm going to subtract 6x on both sides. That actually produces something. So that gives me a 5. Gives me a negative 3x minus 1. I'll keep solving. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. On the last problem, I didn't do all these. I did this in my head. Divide by negative 3, and I get x is equal to negative 2. I only get one x this time. I'm going to plug it back in to one of the originals to get my y answer. So the original said y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 5. I'm going to plug in negative 2. And I'm going to get 4 minus 12 plus 5, which is going to give me negative 8 plus 5, which is negative 3. So my answer is the point negative 2, negative 3. Next. This one also says solve by substitution, but here's the problem. We don't have an x equals or a y equals. So we need to create an x equals or a y equals from the second equation. So I can easily make this a x equals by adding y to both sides. So now it reads x equals 4 plus y, or I could do y plus 4. Now I'm going to substitute that into the original problem. That is going to go into the x squared spot. So that's going to give me y plus 4 squared plus y squared equals 80. This time I'm going to be solving for y. I'm going to FOIL y plus 4 to the second power is y plus 4. Twice, write it twice and then multiply. So it's going to be y squared. And then I'm going to bring down my plus y squared is equal to 80. So that gives me, put my like terms together, I have 2y squared. 4y and 4y is 8y. Plus 16 is equal to 80. I'm going to subtract 80 on both sides and make it equal 0 so I can get it ready to factor. And that's going to give me 64, I think. This one has a common factor of 2, so I'm going to factor out the common factor of 2 to make my life a little easier. and this does not factor. So we're going to stop the video and see what we can figure out about this problem. Maybe, hopefully, I copied it down wrong.